G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. In tonight's tutorial we are going to look at how to blur a background and have a photo clear in the foreground. So let's get stuck into it. So we open up a new Canvas page. We come over here to Elements and I chose this portrait of a gorgeous woman in white smiling. So we'll just click and bring that in. Now what I did was duplicate that photo, place it over the top, just drag the handles in to the desired location and come up here to border, add a border. I dropped it up, increased it to about 10. Then I changed the color of the border to white. Then I clicked on the background, went to edit, went to blur, whole image, and increase the intensity of the blur up to about 30. Alright, you can increase it to whatever you choose, say 40. Increase it to 40 there, then we'll hit the cross. And as you can see, the background is blurred and the foreground is in detail. So all I did was just group those together and then increase the size of the frame below, like so. And there you have it. You have a blurred background in a photo. Thanks very much for watching. Uh, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification button, like and share, and drop a comment. And until next time, have fun with Canva.